Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Mac. It's Saturday night. It's actually kind of late, so I'm probably going to end up sending this video out probably on Sunday. Just want to do a quick little video, show you another income stream. Yeah, that's right, another income stream that I push on the side quietly. And before you jump out of your seat and say, hey, Mac, you program jumper, you're in another program. Yep, doing something else that paid me over about $65,000 in the last 2 days alone. So glad to do two things right now. A, rub it in the faces of people who say you shouldn't do more than one program, and B, show those people who do like multiple streams of income something else I had up my sleeve. And it's 100% free. It's a CPA network deal. All you need to do is get people to enter their information, and you get paid per lead. Starts at $1.50 a lead, works its way up to $5 a lead, which is where I'm at now. Let me go ahead and click login real quick and just show you the stats over the last couple days. So, logged in, click on referral program. There we go. Okay, stats. And let's start with the other day. My son's birthday, Caden's birthday. He was just turned 8 years old. So that was Friday the 29th. Click update stats. Just for the day, okay? Just for the day. $41,915. Okay? I generated for Project Payday 8,383 leads. At $5 a lead, that's what they're paying me. 31% conversion rate. And then as of today, which is Saturday night, again, I'm probably not going to send this out till tomorrow, Sunday, because it's getting late. And it's Easter tomorrow. Happy Easter to everybody out there who celebrates it. So I got to get up early and spend time with the family. So probably send out this video tomorrow. But let me update the stats. March 30th, today, Saturday night. Night's not even over yet, man. It's crazy. $21,125. It's about half of what I did yesterday, but you know what? It's a Saturday, and it's the day before Easter. And I don't care how slow that is, that's some pretty damn great money right there. So, past 2 days alone, add them all up, $63,000. Okay, not too shabby.